In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced. A solid forecast gives you a forward-looking picture of revenue and expenses based on recent performance, so you can plan hiring, purchases, and cash with confidence. We'll move from opening the tool to saving a usable forecast, adding practical tips along the way. Start by opening QuickBooks Online Advanced and using the global search bar at the top. Type forecast, and from the results, choose Forecast to open the forecasting workspace. On the forecast page, select Create Forecast to launch the guided setup. Begin by deciding what the forecast is for. Use the forecast for field to set the scope you need, whether that's your entire company or a specific area you want to analyze. Choosing the right scope keeps the forecast focused and easier to interpret. Next, tell QuickBooks which historical data to use. In the Use Actuals From menu, pick a period such as the last 3 months or the last 6 months. Shorter lookbacks respond faster to recent changes. Longer windows smooth out temporary spikes and better reflect seasonality. If you're uncertain, 6 months is a balanced starting point. Now, set rules to carry your assumptions forward. For income accounts, choose Increase and enter the number that reflects your expected growth. Keep it realistic. Steady, incremental changes are usually more dependable than aggressive jumps. If your historical period included an unusual surge or dip, adjust your rule so the projection doesn't exaggerate it. When your selections look right, click Next. QuickBooks will generate the forecast using your inputs. At the top, give the forecast a clear descriptive name, including the time frame, and a key assumption in the title makes it easy to find and compare later. Then fine-tune the details. Review the lines and months, and edit amounts where you already know something specific is coming, like a planned promotion, a contract renewal, or a seasonal slowdown. Align these edits with your overall rules so the story stays consistent. You can always revisit this forecast as conditions change. Once you're satisfied with the numbers and the name, click Save. Your forecast is now stored and ready for planning reviews and budget discussions. That's all it takes. Search for forecast, open it, create a new one, set the scope, base it on recent actuals, apply rules, click Next, rename, make any edits you need, and save to lock it in.